Hello everyone and welcome to Dumb Ways to Die. I just thought today would be relevant to play this game because I've been waiting to play this for quite a long time now, and yeah, I just thought on this peaceful evening I should just play this game. Okay, we've got this guy. Oh hey, how you doing? Keep shaking that booty, keep shaking that booty. Okay, connect the wires. Okay, it's easy so far. There we go. You can get, okay, clean up the sick. Clean. I can't clean that fast. God. Hey, it was clean. It was clean. It was. Okay, tap to jump. Blah. 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 There we go. Second. Go any tilt, dude. I can't. Oh, yeah, I can. I can tilt. Yeah, sucker, you give me those sweeties, boy. Okay, alright, patience, There we go, sucker, I can spell patience. Bang, boosh, bong, ding, slum. Yeah, you go, sucker, you don't want no piranha trying to touch your piranha. Okay, clean this sick, 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 clean this sick. Dude, I'm cleaning, it was gone, it was gone. Okay, connect this guy to the, oh no, there we go. There we go, sucker, there we go. We're doing pretty good on our first go. Brah, brah, brah. There we go. There we go. Someone can't spell patience. Hey. Oh, okay, well that's the first one. We're gonna put on the safety pledge. I solemnly swear not to do dumb stuff around trains. Okay, I promise. Thanks for pledging to be safe around trains. You're welcome. I know what he's here for, but he's still shaking that butt. Okay, tap anywhere. Okay. Breh. There we go, sucker. Go and get your train to work. You deserve it. Tapping as fast as I can. There we go. Let's go on. There we go. Ugh. So much hard work. Okay, faster. Okay, connect the wires. I thought I was gonna connect to the wrong one then. Connect that red is red, yellow is bing bang bing spiggity boom. Yeah, you're not gonna get stung today. There you go. And this is what I hate about this level. Yes. I always seem to get it all wrong every single time. Oh my god. Faster, brah. Okay, breh. Pretty easy. Pretty goddamn easy, if I should say so myself. Okay, that's correct. There you go. Okay, I just get minus points. Nothing. Get me to the rock. Oh, for God's sake. Oh, that was so close. That was so close. Okay, swat all the wasps away. Yes. Okay, get the toast at the shit. Okay. Faster. I can't go any flipping faster. This bear is gonna take off my freaking head. Jesus Christ. Breh. No problemo. You gonna do your daily routine of work. Okay, there we go. God, I'm so fast at this. I just spat over the freaking screen. Okay, so we get our what the flipping god damn you? What is that? Is he infected us? Piranhas? This is how slow it's gonna go. Just keep wiggling your the guy to its helmet. We've done this on various occasions and we've succeeded. Faster. There we go. Some challenge. Siri. Okay, I was being cocky there. Okay, I admit I was being cocky there. I was being cocky. It's not my fault. Okay, it's not my. Don't press the. Don't press the. Okay, rainbows everywhere. Rainbows everywhere. Get the toast. Oh, okay, scrub till it's clean. Scrub till it's. There we go. That's how you clean up sick. Flick the piranhas away. You don't want them twiddling with your junk. These guys in there wiggling his twooty does. Here we go. That's how we spell patience. Okay, jump. Dude, I can't believe I did that on the slow one. That's like the easiest one on here. Okay, what's next? Okay, don't hit the rock. No. There we go. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, so we get the skeleton. We get the skeleton guy. Oh, why is he clapping at me? He's like, hey, play the game, play the freaking goddamn game. Don't. Okay, mind the gap. You don't tell me what to do. I'll do it my own way and I'll be proud of it. Okay, swat away the wasps. There we go. Okay. Faster. Cover the blood. That's too much. Okay, well, I have... I don't know what to blow. There you go. You can have a nice light display for Christmas. Faster, I can do that. Pretty easy, pretty goddamn easy if I say so. Okay, scrap. But it doesn't matter because we got a new person in the train station. And this guy is spinning in the washing machine. Hey guy, how you doing, sucker? How you doing? Okay, so if we score 800 or more to unlock Dumb Ways to Die video, that's pretty cool. So we're gonna unlock this because the video is the absolute best. It's literally so catchy. Where do you blow? I don't even know where you blow. Okay, patience. I just like randomly tapped. I know how to spell patience. Okay, swat away the wasps. You're gonna be fine today, Bobby. Don't worry. There we go. Faster. I can't go. Well, at least we've unlocked the best music video ever. Yay! Dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. You do. Get your toast out with a fork. Do your own electrical work. Okay, thank you for watching today's episode. I will do another one in the future of the future. Have a great day and spend it wisely. Don't do anything bad. Peace.